Hi and welcome. I'm trying to learn etymology, today Induced, and afterwards we're going to do wrist training, and if you participate in wrist training, that is at your own risk. Now it is part 2 already of Induced, and now we want to do what we learned as a presentation for other people as a video. We learned induce comes over the Middle English induce from the Latin word inducere, which means to lead in, bring in, introduce. Inducere. Induce comes from the Middle English inducen, and then from the Latin inducen, and that means in Latin bring in, lead in, bring in, introduce. Lead in, bring in, introduce. Can we say something else? It means to cause something, or to bring about something, or to lead to something, to stimulate something. And it is used in physics as to cause or to produce electric current, or magnetic state. To produce electric current or magnetic state. Here's not that much more written etymology concerning. From in and duco, lead, conduct. Compare also abduce, conduce, deduce, produce, reduce, and you. But we're going to say just what is written here. It's not so much, but it's a little bit. Okay, I'm going to say that induce comes from inducen, from the Middle English induce, over the Middle English inducen, from the Latin word induce, inducere, inducen, inducere, and it means to cause something. We want to do the Latin word bring in, introduce, lead in. We don't really have. And meaning lead in, bring in, introduce, and in Latin and in English it means to bring about something, to stimulate something, to bring something about to happen, to cause something. Or in physics, to cause or produce a magnetic state. I have a second camera, I'm going to start it now. And I try to say now what the word induce means. Inducen, from inducen, and inducere, it means bring in, lead in, introduce. And today it means to cause something, to provoke something, also, yes, provoke, to cause something, to provoke something, to bring something about, to lead to something, or in physics, to induce, to bring about, to cause or produce an electric current or an electric and magnetic state. An electric current or magnetic state. Probably both. Electric current or magnetic state. It's not so long, so let's just try it. Induce comes over English, Middle English. Induce comes over inducere in Middle English from inducere, from Latin, and that means lead in, bring in, introduce. And it means something like to provoke, to stimulate, to cause something, to provoke something. And it's also used in physics, and that means to cause or to produce an electric current or a magnetic field. That is according to Wiktionary. I'm going to take it like that. I'm going to stop the camera. And I think that we did what we wanted to do, at least as far the borders of our source material had allowed it. That means, if you're here for another word, you can go directly to the next part of etymology. We will do another wrist training. If you participate in a wrist training, that is at your own risk. Go to the stand, arms next to us, hand front to fists, and we bring them down. And up. and again down, and up the spotlight. And that was the last time. Now we're doing the flashlight. This next to us, and we're bringing it to the inside and to the outside. And this was my last time. And now we're doing the 4 days new synthesis director. Hands on the fists, and we're opening them, and we're closing them again. And the last time opening and closing. Now we're doing the T-Rex in the jump. You can take a tennis ball and we're pressing onto it. And release, and we're pressing again onto it. And release, and now third time onto the pressing, or just make a strong fist. And we're switching, and press onto it. Release, press again. And release, and press the last time. And now the cautious big bang. Place the fingertips of one hand on top of the fingernails of the other hand. Press a little, and we're opening slowly. And we're closing again slowly. Open again slowly. Close again slowly. And we're switching. Open slowly. Close slowly. Again, open. And close. Next exercise, the bicycle bridge. Right hands. Bend the metal knuckles. Open again. Bend again. Open again. And bend the last time. Open. Now we're doing the claws. Hands under my claws. Hold it. Open again. Again, close. Hold it. Open. And last time, close. Hold it. And open. And I think already the last exercise, the I6. That hand. Bend it again at the knuckles. And press on all 4 fingers. And open again. The other hand, bend at the knuckles and press onto all 4. And now we are going with moderate force over the middle part of the lower arm to relax the extended digitorum which lies there. And one last time. And on the other hand. And that was the wrist training. I thank you very much, and until next time.